Hare Krishna. Welcome to this Gita Yoga Center Saturday evening Gita session. Anybody is new? First time.
We both are first time.
You are from?
We both are from West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yes.
What you are doing here?
I'm in the army, sir. Right now posted here.
Very good. Pangur.
Not sir. I'm Balipur. Uttamam.
Uttara.
Yes.
But CSI.
No, sir. Army.
Army, sir. Okay. Mataji.
This is my wife.
So your name, Prabhu?
Deepak Mal.
Deepak.
Mal.
Mataji. Prashu. So please welcome this couple by chanting one time Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Reading from Bhagavad Gītā as it is, chapter 14, text 1, 14.1. The three modes of material nature. So please repeat the sloka. śrī-bhagavān uvāca.
śrī-bhagavān uvāca.
Paraṁ bhūyaḥ.
bhūyaḥ.
pravakṣyāmi. jñānānāṁ. jñānam uttamam. jñātvā. munayaḥ sarve. param siddhim. ido gatāḥ. śrī-bhagavān uvāca. paraṁ bhūyaḥ pravakṣyāmi. jñānānāṁ jñānamuttamam. jñātvā munayoḥ sarve. param siddhim ido gatāḥ. śrī-bhagavān uvāca. paraṁ bhūyaḥ pravakṣyāmi. jñānānāṁ jñānamuttamam. jñātvā munayaḥ sarve. param siddhim ido gatāḥ. Translation Prabhu Prabhupada ki. Anybody can read translation?
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Again, I shall declare to you this supreme wisdom, the best of all knowledge, knowing which all the sages have attained the supreme purpose."
Purport. Someone can read purport.
From the 7th chapter to the end of the 12th chapter, Sri Krishna in detail reveal the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now the Lord himself is further enlightening Arjuna. If one understands this chapter through the process of the philosophical speculation, he will come to an understanding of devotional service. In the 13th chapter, it was clearly explained that by humbly developing knowledge, one may possibly be freed from material entanglement. It has also been explained that it is due to association with the modes of nature that the living entity is entangled in this material world. Now in this chapter, the Supreme Personality explains what those modes of nature are, how they act, how they bind, and how they give liberation. The knowledge explained in this chapter is proclaimed by the Supreme Lord to be superior to the knowledge given so far in other chapters. By understanding this knowledge, versus great sages attained the perfection and transferred to the spiritual world. The Lord now explains the same knowledge in a better way. This knowledge is fair, superior to all other processes of knowledge thus far explained, and knowing this, many attained perfection. Thus, it is expected that one who understands this 14th chapter will attain perfection.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति सुखदादिकं। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रस्तावबोधले श्रीमते जयपताकस्वामिनिति नामिने। नमाचार्यपादाय निताय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरगदा दामोदाय नगरग्रामदारिणे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रस्तावबोधले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वतीदेवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशधारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यः च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्णा। So if you read Bhagavad Gītā, there is always a connection between one sloka and next sloka. At the same time, there is a connection between one chapter and another chapter. So previously we discussed the 13.22 is the bija vakya of the Bhagavad Gītā. Why a soul is suffering in this material world, that is explained in 13.22. What is that? 13th chapter, 22nd sloka. Can you take? So, the translation says the living entity in material nature thus follows the way of life, enjoying the three modes of nature. This is due to his association with that material nature. Thus he meets with good and evil among various species. So, the root cause for the jiva's suffering is enjoying tendency, desire. If I have a desire to enjoy something, make sure I am going to suffer in this material world. If that enjoying entity is connected to Krishna, then there is no problem. If not, what is going to happen? Suffering. Okay, I have a desire. A desire is something like a seed. The seed has to be nourished, right? Suppose the seed is fallen in a rock. Whether this seed will grow or not. Suppose it is falling on a concrete floor, it will grow? No. Suppose it is falling in a little soil, is there? Little this thing, will this seed grow? Grow in a small way. Suppose it is falling in a very fertile soil, what will happen? It will grow very fast, right? So, the seed is nourished by the three modes of material nature. What is the three modes of material nature? Sattva guna, Rajo guna and Tamo guna. The seed is nourished by these three gunas. That's the 14th chapter. What is the name of the 14th chapter? Three modes of material nature. Okay. So, the connection between the 13th chapter and 14th chapter is the desire, how this desire is nourished by the three modes of material nature. Now, here Krishna is using a word, bhūyaḥ, again. What is it? Again I shall declare to you the supreme wisdom, the best of all knowledge. In which chapter Bhagavad Gītā knowledge was discussed? Which chapter of Bhagavad Gita knowledge? 9th chapter. Yeah. What is telling? Raja Vidya, Raja Gukhyam. He already declared. What is that? This is the Raja Vidya and Raja Gukhyam. And it is also explained in the 4th chapter also. In many places, actually, knowledge. The whole Bhagavad Gita is full of knowledge. Especially in the 9th chapter, Krishna is explaining. So that I can say everyone. Little bit. Yeah. In the 9th chapter, Krishna described about the Raja Vidya, Raja Gukhyam, the topmost knowledge. What is the topmost knowledge? I am not this body, devotional service, anything related to Krishna is the topmost. Okay. If you take this 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, if you divide by 2, exact by 9, right? 9th chapter, the middle part is the Supreme Raja Vidya, right? In that, one sloka is very important. Which sloka? In the 9th chapter. That sloka was repeated twice in the Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, manmanam bhaktatam adhyajimam namaskuru. How to worship Krishna is mentioned in this sloka. We should engage our mind. Okay, I am engaging my mind. What about my physical nature? If you pay obeisance, we are using our body to pay obeisance, then physical also. No? Each and everything has to be utilized in Krishna conscious. Prabhu was writing a very wonderful statement. I was reading one very interesting. Maharaj was explaining. One gentleman, one devotee told, so Swamiji, I am going to retire from life. Said, okay. I am going to divide all my property to my beti ko dekar. Main kya karega? I will practice devotion. Is it good or bad? It's good, right? Isn't it even enough? Then Prabhupada told, you are a cheater. You get shocked. Why? See, you are not using your money to serve Krishna. Instead, you are giving to your family members and you are going to serve Krishna. Then you are a cheater. You really get, bewildered. I am sacrificing everything. अब सबको छोड़कर मैं कहाँ आता हूँ मंदिर में आकर सेवा करता है ना. So far our understanding is also like that. Whatever my property, let my sons, grandsons enjoy. I will go bare hand. I will go to temple and No. Then Prabhu is quoting an example of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. 100%, what they did is they divided the property into 4. 50% for Krishna consciousness, 25% for emergency, and 25% for the relatives. How much we can give to our relatives? 25% is what we can give. Prabhu was telling, you are a cheater. Sometimes, we have knowledge. We may think, I am a very intelligent person. I know how to divide my property and come to Krishna conscious. And we also. No. Krishna is so intelligent. Right or wrong? Hiranyakashipu was got a boon when he gave the hard disk to the Brahma. He told, you put it and see what is my requirement. Sometimes you give a biodata, say, sir, please go through my, nowadays no biodata, what do you say? Resume. Sir, please go through my resume. No, what is my career? What is my bell break? Okay, acha. वो भी बोला, अरे go through my career, how many years I did tapasya, what is my requirement, Sometimes by seeing something, we'll get bewildered, Brahma also get bewildered, So many things, no. He told only one yes, okay, tatastu, finish. But sometimes there is English word is very funny thing. What is the difference between guarantee and warranty? What is the difference between guarantee and warranty?
Guarantee means they will replace you. Warranty means they repair it.
prepare and give. So Krishna consciousness is a guarantee card or warranty card? Suppose you are, we don't know. No, it's okay. We may think it's a warranty card, it's a guarantee card. Any demigods are giving boon to someone means it's a guarantee card or warranty card. Brahma gave and went back, Who came? Narasimhamurthy came and finished all the guarantee. In every time, it's a very funny thing. That pastime is very, very funny. And Hiranyakashipu was so confident, nobody can kill me. Even Lord came. He's a man and lion combination. He took his paper, Oh, I should not kill by animal, man, now it's a both combination. Okay, फिर भी बाकी है ना, कितना बाकी है? Okay. Not in the day, not in the night, है ना? भगवान ने बोला अरे अभी संध्या टाइम है ना, संध्या टाइम नहीं आया ना, ओके कट कर दो. फिर भी बाकी है, क्या बाकी है? घर के अंदर भी नहीं, घर के बाहर भी नहीं ना. भगवान उसको लेकर गया, exactly the entrance ना stopped. Then he took it. Now check करो. It's a very funny thing, he is checking his paper and Brahma also came, with the paper, Krishna is saying, hey, everything's ठीक है ना? Okay, ठीक है. Then ठीक है. अभी क्या हो गया? 3 ठीक हो गया. Then still he was confident, not in the sky, not in the earth. Then भगवान ने बोला, अरे सिंहासन, रियल सिंहासन, अरे मेरे ताई में आपको ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा. है ना? वो देखा. Then Krishna saw Brahmaji, okay, okay. What is the next thing? No. That is over because it's a Narasimha. Not outside, not inside got over. Now, not in the sky, not in the air, that is also got over. Now, no weapon should be used. Then he showed his finger, this nail. Why nail? If you are cutting the nail, are you feeling pain? No, but it is growing. If growing means something is growing means it has life. If you are cutting, there is no pain means no life. Bola, ये भी ठीक है ना? ये ठीक है? ब्रह्मा बोला, ठीक है, perfect. What is the last thing? No, Brahma, whomever you created, they should not kill me. भगवान ने बोला, मैं स्वयंभू है ना? वो भी चल गया. So Krishna told, everything is ठीक है ना? Everything is ठीक है. He tear this paper. अरे 10,000 years did tapasya, he enjoyed only 5 years. 10,000 years he did tapasya, standing in one leg, something like that. We are chanting 16 of Hare Krishna. That also sometimes Kirtaniya Sadari, morning to night we will chant Hare Krishna. Then, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Then sometimes, hey, मैं उधर 4 बार बोला, वो भी इधर कम करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So many adjustments, 16 rounds, right or wrong? Sometimes I use our finger, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Nobody should, Someone else, you are always chanting, I'm Kirtani Sadahari. Because morning we didn't wake up, that's all. I used to say it's just like a road or old machine, when they put tarring, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay. So, he was super intelligent, Hiranyakashipu. Krishna was super intelligent. He just finished my answer. Finished. Then Brahma told, like the bus, chala. Finish. 1 second. 10,000 years was wasted. 2 days before, one devotee came and asked with me on doubt. Prabhuji, Kamsa ko मालूम है ना, देवकी के गर्भ के अंदर भगवान है ना, उनको मालूम है ना. Then why he didn't took the sword, went one shot, अरे देवकी भगवान को मार कर दिया, देवकी भी मर दिया. वो he is safe ना. Maybe for a few years people say, hey, उनका own sister को मार दिया है, चलो छोड़ दिया. 1 साल 2 साल बोलेगा फिर ना. That time there is no WhatsApp state, this type of thing na. Even nowadays who is bothering about it? Nothing. 1 day, 2 day, talk of the town. After that that's all over. Why he didn't it, Prabhuji? What answer is it? Why Kamsa didn't kill him? He knows Krishna is inside. Why he didn't kill him? Why he didn't kill him? Problem is we need to solve the problem, right? Sometimes in computer also we do this thing. Sometimes we try to, something you get stuck. We do so many things. Alt, control, delete, this thing, those things, Then what, at last what we'll do? Restart it. Problem solved, They say hard disk will damage, over damage. Arey, हमको restart करना है. Kamsa, why he didn't did this? You would have saved, na?
He loves his sister.
Huh?
He loves his sister.
Then why you put in the jail?
You don't want to kill them.
Huh?
Vasudeva said, once it's born, I will get
Correct, but now he is every day is afraid. In the 8th Garbha is there, you can finish it. Why you need to wait for the thing? As per the Shastra, life is inside the mother's womb, you can kill.
No, pregnant lady, they will follow that.
But my life is important. Which is important? My life is important.
Still, they follow something.
Actually, one minister suggested this thing to Kamsa. He gave a nice slap to that minister. Arey, you are my minister or you are my enemy? Previously, there was one Asurata, whose name is Hiranyakashipu. 100 times he asked with Prahlad Maharaj, your Lord is inside this pillar or not? What Prahlad Maharaj told? Yes, he told. What he should have done? Thank you, Hare Krishna. You save that, I will also save that. Problem solved, right or wrong? Don't go near that pillar. Problem solved or not? He went and tested the Lord. Hello, excuse me, he knocked the pillar. What happened? Came out. Wicked. Now, I know that time Hiranyakashipu was doubtful whether Lord was inside or not, but I am very confident Lord is inside. If I took the sword and go near to Devaki, what will happen? He will come out and kill and he will go outside. At least I can live for 4 or 5 years. Why you are killing me now itself? Right or not? Kitna saal mein Krishna when Krishna was 10 years old and 7 years old, that time only he killed Kamsa. At least I can enjoy still some more years. Why you are waiting for my death? Sometimes, we may think that we are so intelligent. Actually, we are not intelligent. When we are intelligent, Krishna is telling, how should I give wisdom? The best of knowledge, knowing with all the sages. Jñānam, when we are very, very intelligent. When we use our intelligence in Krishna conscious, then we can say that we are an intelligent person. हम सबको एक problem है, I am very intelligent, right or wrong? We think that I am so intelligent. Because I am a doctor by profession, I know so many things. Or we may say I am an engineer, I am an advocate. No, we may think. But who is a real intelligent person? One whose intelligence is connected to Krishna. One who is using his intelligence to serve Krishna, he is a very intelligent. Okay. One guy was looking for some sales representative, something like this. So he went to one big mall. There one brahmachari was distributing Bhagavad Gītā. He's distributing Bhagavad Gītā. In an hour he almost distributed 20 to 25 Bhagavad Gītā. The recording, 1 hour he distributed 25 Bhagavad Gītā. In a day we can, in a teamwork also we can distribute 25. In 1 hour he distributed. So he is the right person for my company. He went and approached him. Can you come and join my company? I can give you salary, whatever you want. Then he told, can you take one Bhagavad Gītā for me, sir? He said, okay, 26 is also over. He took. And he gave the card. And he told, sir, I have some target. I finish the target and come back and join with you. I said, okay, keep the card. And to make a nice relation, he took some 2-3 Bhagavad Gītā also extra. I'll give to my friends. I said, okay, thank you, sir. After a week, again he went. He said, sir, almost 80% across. If you take one set of Srimad Bhagavatam, it will be good. He said, okay, I'll take Bhagavatam because it's a multimillionaire. I said, okay, I'll take it. After a week, again he went. And hey, what happened? You told that you will come to my company. Then he told, sir, 98% is got over. One set, if you take 10 books, now it is 9 books. What is that? Chaitanya Charitamrita. If you take this book, then he said, so tomorrow will come to office? No, sir. I was a salesman. I distributed all the proper books to you. Thank you very much. Please, when you get time, please read this book and you get to read. Devotees are super intelligent. Some people, karmis approach us for material purpose, but they utilize them in Krishna conscious. So this is very important. How we are using our intelligence. Just we are using our intelligence to make money or to serve Krishna. What is the question? That is the answer. Are we using our intelligence to just make money? From that money, I give donation a small part. Yeah, Bhagavan ko, Bhagavan ki kripa se pura mila na? No, Krishna is super intelligent. I'll say a small story. There was one illiterate. His name called Buddhuram. You know, he was very good devotee of Krishna, but he don't know anything. He knows only two things. Aganda bhajan, you know, he do Hare Krishna. Then Aganda bhajan. He eats khichdi very nicely. You know, how many of you went to Mayapur and ate khichdi? No? Very wonderful, no? Khichdi. Bengalis will call, Prabhuji, हमको खिचड़ी चाहिए. Prabhuji, जरूर हम बनाएगा खिचड़ी बनाएगा made in South India. You know, am I right? Sometimes you go to Delhi, they'll say, what is the menu? Idli. If you take the idli, na, it is almost like a, you know, cricket ball. No, say, अरे प्रभुजी idli नहीं, idli का distant related ना. प्रभुजी पक्का idli प्रभुजी सब लोग बोला अच्छा है. हम बोला अरे कच्चा है प्रभुजी, so strong प्रभुजी. And they come to South India, they ask, what? Chapati. Not chapati, roti बोलेंगे, roti. हम इधर देगा गोदम्ब दोशा, मलयालम गोदम्ब दोशा. अरे क्या? अरे प्रभुजी चपाती is not soft है. अरे प्रभुजी ये soft है, हमको फुल्का चाहिए. हमको एक ही चपाती मालूम, फुल्का. Odd combination. Now ISKCON came now, all over the world was connected. Sometimes you will get pizza from South India, dosha from Italy. You know, so much of confusion. Right? Why went there? He likes only khichdi. He don't need anything else, just khichdi. Khichdi, aganda bhojan, and he grazed the cows. And this Mataji also, village Mataji, very simple. Sometimes all the Matajis are very simple. The problem is when they speak to next Mataji, na, problem starts. Am I right or wrong? How many of you agree? 1, 2, 3. Matajis are not raising the hand. Am I right? Anjani Maji, you should say. Am I right? Na? Recently someone told, why Matajis are dressing so nicely, you know? Not for themselves, to irritate other Matajis. I don't know how to understand this philosophy. Okay. So, this Mataji's next house, that guy is a very poetic guy. How many of you seen this, what you can say, poetry guy, this songs they write? Poets. How many of you seen poets in your real life? They won't walk properly. Have you seen? They see something, banana tree. Sometimes the film songs, I may think how these guys are thinking, you know. We are also seeing the same moon, and they are also seeing the same. How? In my Hindi exam, last exam, Viva, yes, this thing, see, sometimes these things are very difficult. In my Bhakti Sastri also same thing is there. One question is there. Whole Bhakti Sastri study, which sloka you like very much? Can I don't like any sloka. Somewhat I committed, that's why I am reading. What should I do? You know? Here, he asked them, you are written what is it? Pratmik, Madhyama, Rashtrabhash, something, you know, 8 classes studied. Whole thing, which one you like very much? Please say one thing. What should I say? Then suddenly something struck me. Charu Chandra ke chanchal kirane ke rahi hai jalatal mein. The next line he started, you know. Then he's going, like that time. Then wow, what a poetry. Sir, I know only this sloka. It was in Rāma, you know. Charu Chandra ke chanchal kirane ke rahi hai jalatal mein. When they are in Vanavas, that time how that nature was. These poets, they see something, you know, round clock, this thing, they write some poems. The next guy was poetry, so what he did, every week he writes some poems about the king, he go and sing in front of the king, he'll get some prize and come, you know, bring the gold coins to the wife and, this is my today earning. And this Mataji talked to that Mataji, She told, my husband every week go to meet the king and get some gold coins and come. What she do? He write poems. Then Mataji came to home and told, today onwards you should write what? Poem. It's something like writing a software, developing software, they do time, ding, 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 something. This Buddharam told, poem, me, Mataji told, yes, not possible. Then she gave 1 month time, I'll give you. You should, what? Write poem and get prize from king, otherwise no kitchen. This guy went to the class. Very first, I don't know, it's a Tamil comedy, एक गांव में एक किसान रखता था. तमिलनाडु में ये बोला. वो बोला एक गांव में एक किसान रघुता था. What is Raghutata means? Raghu Tata na yaar. Tata means grandfather. Raghuta. एक गांव में एक किसान रघु ताता. Then वो मास्टर बोला अरे रखता था रघु ताता रखता था रघु ताता. हिंदी नहीं है. वो भी संस्कृत पढ़ने के लिए वो आता नहीं. अरे how much difficult Bhakti Shastra now. When I felt I'm becoming old, to by heart one sloka, 1 week 10. When we by heart, go that side, it will be problem. Prabhu ji Bhakti Shastra mein sweating hai na. Yeah, Prabhu ji. Because we have become old. Kids na by heart. This. When we become old, it's very difficult by heart. This guy no. And he went and asked all the poems, how to write poem. Then they told, to write poem you need realization. Sakshatkar chahiye. Sakshatkar means, I know ambassador car, I know Fiat car, Innova car. Now what is Sakshatkar? Then he told, Sakshatkar means, your eyes will be filled with water, tears. Okay? Your hairs has to be stand. And your body has to shiver. Then only you can write. Never ever I get this experience. I was trying. And mother said, tomorrow if you are not writing the poem, don't come to my house. Chal jao. Then he thought, I will commit suicide. Without kichadi, without bhajan, without grazing the cows, how I will live? So I will commit suicide. So what he did is, he just jumped inside the river. Sometimes life is very funny. 5 gentlemen, they are very rich person. The death is written in the underwater, which is 4-5 kilometers downstairs. Whose is that? 2 weeks before an incident happened. 5 crore badi ka death. Kahan likha hai? Ocean ke under hai. They took Titanic. 5 guys came, took the Titanic, went and burst and died and came back. See, I heard one history. One guy was Pacific Ocean ship, ulta ho gaya. How many? Prabhu are in Merchant Navy, right? Yeah. His life is very tough. And for the toughness, they are getting only meager salary. To be frank, I am telling you, they are getting very meager salary. Sometimes the ocean goes like this, ups and downs, zoom, zoom. One of my devotee father is in Merchant Navy, telling 17 nautical miles where the ship is going, Prabhuji. 20 nautical miles ship is coming by because of that, what is that? Whirlpool or this thing, whatever. Whatever you take, drinking water will go, the water will go this side. If you try to drink water, the next person will drink water. Everything is upside down. All things upside down. One guy got some little bit wooden piece. He was swimming. 4-5 days he was swimming. At last he was rescued and friends gave party. अच्छी तरफ किया, ये ना फिट हो गया. अभी क्या हो गया? फ्रंट में टोमेटो सूप था, उसका बाउल के अंदर उसका मुख था. टोमेटो सूप अंदर गया, वो मर गया. कहाँ से आया? बड़ा ओशन से बाहर आया. अब एक बाउल टोमेटो सूप. This guy jumped, this Buddharam jumped, that time water was only to the hip size. Then he saw, because chill water, and his body is shivering. Then he, hey, what is the 3 things they told for realization? What are the 3 things? First is ice mein tears. Then shivering, hairs on stand. Because of ठंडी ना क्या हुआ पूरा रोमांचन हो गया. देखा hairs are standing the straight, his body shivering, touch, tears are coming in his eyes. Yeah, मुझे क्या मिला? Realization. He came to the shore, took the paper and pen, was seeing in and around. One crow came. Mataji ka tough time. ये और 1 साल आपको वेट करना पड़ता है, हमको भी वेट करना पड़ता है. See how the world is connected, One some devotees got problem, it will affect others also. Okay. They want, they can sit inside also. What is the resonance? Physics में आएगा ना resonance, one will. So this Buddharam came out and he said nothing. He saw one crow. What he came pig, He dipped inside the water and sharpened it and flew away. Then he saw, "Oh Kaliya, I saw you." Because he saw. You are, what is it? You are wetting your peak, sharpening and chalgaya. Like he wrote something like an order. He wrote, "Oh Kaliya, I saw you. You dipped your peak in the water and sharpened it and you went back." He wrote it and took it to the king. Was running. Big queue that day. So many people are saying poems, they are getting prize. His turn. It's the very first time he's entering the king's court. And he was telling, "Oh Kaliya, I saw you. You dip your peak in the water, sharpen it, and went." Everyone started laughing, This is a poem or what is it? Talk or non-detail or story, nothing, Everyone started laughing. King became very serious. He was waiting. Told, "Stop. He is having some special message. If anyone decode this message, I will give them 10,000 gold coins." Now his sharing started, He thought 1 or 2 gold coin I'll get, I'll go and eat khichdi. Now what happened? Everyone started reciting, "Oh Kaliya, Kaliya, saw you. Oh Kaliya, saw you." Kaliya means Kaliya, crow. Some whole talk of the town. What is that? "Oh Kaliya, I saw you. Wherever you go, they are singing this song. Kaliya, I saw you." Prabhupada sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra in only one tune. Am I right or wrong? Only one tune. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Only one tune. Our devotees are singing Hare Krishna different tunes. Nobody is becoming devotee. Prabhupada is only one tune. How many become devotees? Even we are not become devotee. That is the next problem. We are not become devotee. That time Prabhupada used only mridanga. We are using so many instruments, guitar, violin, this thing, drums, Here now everyone is singing this song in a different. "Oh Kaliya, I saw you," He is restless. He don't know what to do. Next day morning, even the king was meditating on this thing. What is this sloka? What is the thing? You can say, "Oh Kaliya, peak, sharpen it, and then." King was, that time barber came, that's want to shave. Saw the king, bowed, he saw that guy was sharpening it. Then he started reciting the poem. What is it? "Oh Kaliya, I saw you. You are you wetted your beak, Immediately the barber fell in the king's feet. "Maharaj, Shama kariye, Maharaj, Shama kariye. Sorry. He started crying. Then he said, "Hey, what happened?" आप सब तो आपको सब मालूम ना, आप बोला ना अभी, क्या बोला? ओ कालिया, my name is Kalia. I saw you. What you saw? I was getting money from the next another kingdom, na? King, na? I got some money. You are sharpening your beak, na? I'm sharpening my blade, to cut the throat. But you find out everything, na? Please forgive me. Then they arrested this guy, and the Brahmana Buddharam came. He got some 20,000 gold coins, He took that gold coins, went to the Mataji wife, came. See, no more disturbance. In the khichdi, you should put all the vegetables tomorrow onwards. He went for a grace in the house, happily chanting Hare Krishna. So why I told this story? It's a very comedy story, but still we need to think. If we are not using our intelligence to serve Krishna, then our intelligence is waste. Without serving Krishna, but many times what happens, with using our intelligence, we try to skip the Krishna service. Prabhuji, can you do this thing? Oh, Prabhuji, office se phone aaya, Prabhuji. We use our intelligence in a negative way. We should use our intelligence in a positive way to please Krishna. So Prabhupada is writing this, but just I discuss only one word. It's a very interesting word. Now the Lord himself is further enlightening Arjuna. If one understands this chapter through the process of philosophical speculation, he will come to an understanding of devotional service. Can you know what is the meaning of philosophical speculation? What is the meaning of philosophy? Prabhupada used to say, no more speculation. Prabhupada used to say, no speculation. But here Prabhupada is writing, if one understands this chapter through the process of philosophical speculation, he will come to an understanding of devotional service. What does it mean? What is the meaning of philosophical speculation? Very interesting word Prabhupada is using. He is using 2-3 words. It's a very funny word. Means, Prabhupada is writing in some other book, the proper use of intelligence is to understand Shastric truth. Usually, Srila Prabhupada describes philosophical speculation because it is generally used as a process that attempts to uncover the absolute truth by one's limited interpretation. Means Prabhupada is telling, we should hear from the spiritual master. Here, philosophical speculation refers to hearing from a bona fide sources and then using one's intelligence to understand what has been heard. First thing, we need to hear from the right source. If we are not hearing from the right source, what will happen? Our intelligence won't develop. When we hear from the proper source, not only hearing, some people will say, Prabhuji, mein lecture suna. No, we need to implement in our life. Prabhupada's chant Hare Krishna, what we need? Prabhupada's famous chant. What is the reply from the opposite side? Can't. Chant. Can't. This is not the real philosophy. If Prabhupada says chant means we should chant. Read my books means we should read. No, Prabhupada is doing so many things. Wear kantimala, put tilak, chant early morning, wake up early morning, follow Ekadashi, eat only. These things are very, very important. When we follow these things, we can understand the real absolute truth. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Any doubts, comments, you can ask.
What is wrong in thinking to enjoy? It's good thing only, not to enjoy. So what is wrong?
So Prabhuji's question, what is the wrong in, somebody is asking, what is the wrong in enjoying? Are we really enjoying? See, I'll say you, happiness and distress is not a product, it's a byproduct. If you want real happiness, It is not a product. You can't buy. You can't eat things and enjoy. We can't enjoy simply by eating. Okay, suppose if you eat Krishna Prasadam, you are getting the real enjoyment. Suppose you are eating hotel food, you are getting some reaction, right or not? Okay, watching movie. Some people are watching movies enjoyment, but you are losing your time. In general, you are losing your time. And actually, what is the real enjoyment? Somebody is dancing with some other girl and boy is dancing. What enjoyment we are getting? Suppose if I am dancing with someone, okay, I can say, okay, real enjoyment. But someone is dancing, that is also not a real thing. That's a fake focus, your screen. Where we are enjoying. There is no enjoyment. But in Krishna consciousness, devotees are really enjoying. How they are enjoying? By serving the Absolute Truth, they are getting enjoyment. The enjoyment is that when we serve someone, then only we get enjoyment. That's why people are getting married. They are trying to serve the kids, they are trying to serve the wife, husband. They are getting married. The same enjoyment when we serve the devotees, when we serve spiritual master, when we serve Krishna, we are also getting. Time being it will get, but it's everlasting or not. For a small fraction of enjoyment, how much you are spending? See, enjoyment is like something like ice cream. How much time ice cream will be like ice cream? If you keep it away, take it away from the refrigerator, you keep it for 1 hour, what will happen? After that, if you drink that water, there will be no taste, right? Similarly, material enjoyment is very limited. Spiritual enjoyment is unlimited. That's what we are enjoying. Enjoying and distress is not a product, it's a byproduct. When you serve Krishna, you get enjoyment. If you are not serving Krishna, distress will get. Simple logic. Any other questions or comments? Okay, thank you very much. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna.